Hey Mr. Messed Up, what's happening? Something new in DIY. Got some windows here, and if you want to obscure them and you want to go into the expense of putting on expensive blinds or curtains or you know, white curtains or whatever, there is a way you can obscure, whether you want to obscure the whole glass or half glass. There's a way of doing it, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, next stage. Make sure you clean the glass where you're going to put the window film on and dry it. As you can see, this has been done, and we're going to measure the size of window film we need. I'm going to cover half the glass, so take the tape measure, and it comes to about 37 centimeters this way and across 51. So 37 and 51. We're going to proceed to measure that now on the window film. So for this next stage, this is I've put out the window film on a table, and we're now going to proceed to measure the size of window film that we measured on the window and cut it. So you're going to need a ruler and a sharp knife. I measured 37 centimeters as we measured on the window. I'm just cutting the window film now, as you can see. And it cuts quite easily. Can you see that? Probably a good idea to put something underneath this so you don't damage your surface that you're cutting on, like I've just done. Okay, not quite there, just a bit more. This is an easy job, you can do it yourself. Save you a few bob. Lovely. There we go. Just a bit more. Needs a bit of a cut down here. There. Now that is the section we're going to use. And we measured 51 centimeters across, so we've got to do that now. Good idea to have a marker, I suppose. So I've gone to using a marker, probably easier. So you measure up 51 as we did with the window. Just about see the marker. Okay, 21. And so that's the total, 51. So we need to now cut that out. So let's make a straight line. There we go. And that you can now use as a template for the second one. So I've gone and checked whether this fits on the window, and it does. So I'm going to use this as a template to get the other side. So what we do is put your window film roll out on the table again, and then use this as a template to cut your second piece. Make life a bit easier. There we go. And all we need to do now is get the ruler and cut out your piece using this template. Saves all that measuring again. There we go, that's that part. And now the second part over here. I'm now taking the back of the window film off, and you will have a rough side and you will have a smooth side. You put the smooth side on the outside. Let's have a go. But first of all, you've got to spray this with some water. So I'll first spray some water into the area of the window that I want, and also onto the smooth side of this window film, like so. And then we proceed to put the smooth side on the window. Up into the edges, into the corners, and align it. Maybe a bit too much in the corner there, but we can always cut that away a bit. And now we have to try and get these bubbles out. And you keep on doing this until you get rid of the bubbles. So there we have it. I've taken out the bubbles. You can see the finished result. It's a lot cheaper than putting on blinds, and it has an effective, it's very effective at blocking out part of the window or all the window if you so wish. I hope that helps you. I'll do the other side myself. I hope that helps you. Over and out. Cheers.